Today, we come together to celebrate a milestone that embodies the very essence of local governance, the 33rd anniversary of the Local Government Code, live at the LM Hotel, Zamboanga City.
Pursuant to Presidential Proclamation Number 63, Series of 1982, declaring the month of October as a local government month, the Department of the Interior and Local Government Region 9 commemorates the 33rd Local Government Month in Zamboanga Peninsula Region. For over 3 decades, the Code has been a cornerstone of our democratic system, laying the foundation for a governance model that is inclusive, responsive, and accountable to the people. Seal of Good Local Governance for Barangay o SLGB, Dilipong Tagapamayapa Incentive Awards o LTIA, and the Kalinisan sa Bagong Pilipinas Program, a program that is personally pinakutos na ating mahal na Pangulo.
The theme, tagumpay ng barangay, mamamayan ang kaagapay, perfectly encapsulates the spirit of this celebration. It highlights the crucial role of community involvement in barangay success.
Ito pong mga awarding ng mga barangay officials, talaga I try my best na puntahan po lahat dahil para sa akin napaka-importante po na mabigyan ng kahalagahan ang mga kontribusyon ng ating mga barangay officials. Kaya po sinigurado ko po kahit malayo po dito, magpupunta po ako dito para makasama kayong araw at makasama kayong magdiwang at i-recognize ang ating mga dedicated barangay officials. Tulong-tulong po tayo sa ating liga. Andito po ang liga para maging sandigan ninyo. Sama-sama po tayo, tulong-tulong po tayo para sa maunlad na bagong Pilipinas. Mabuhay ang Liga ng mga Barangay sa Pilipinas!